Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you go here above this sign, you click on it. When you just click here in this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do, so you just click here on sync. When just click here on sync here, it's going to take you to this list. So then you come here to allow sync here on matured here connections. Clicking this sign, like you see here this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.